Good morning, friends. So today we'll be discussing about Python's built-in function. In the theoretical part, already we have seen what do we understand by built-in functions. So the examples that we have taken in the theoretical part, we'll just quickly run the examples and see how it looks like in actual Python script. Okay. So first one was we discussed about the few built-in functions like max, mean, sum, length. Okay. So let's discuss one by one. For that, let's call a list. Suppose we call the name of the list as list only, and then few numbers for the list. Suppose it's 4, 6, then 2, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 100. Okay, this is a list I have called. So let's play with this list with all the built-in functions. So first one is we'll see print. Obviously we'll have to use print syntax. Without that it won't show output. So print max of the list, and we want to decorate our printing statement. So let's decorate it. We know if we want to decorate it we have to use double quotes. So print maximum in the list is max of list. Okay, let's see whether it shows the output or not. Yes, so maximum in the list is 100 is the value for maximum in the list. So let's call the minimum in the list. Minimum in the list. So let's change the syntax for min. So yes, let's see whether it shows the output or not. Yes, 2 happens to be the minimum. Yeah, 2 is the minimum in the list. Okay, so next we'll check the length of this list. Let's see whether the length of the list is showing properly or not. So length of the list. Oh, I'm so sorry. Length of the list, and the syntax for length of the list is that we have seen in the lecture, length of list. Okay, so this is length. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is the length of the list. So these are the built-in functions. Now let's see two more built-in functions. Suppose pow function. So how we can take pow? So let's consider pow of any number. So for a comma b will take. So let's print the pow function. Print pow 2 comma 3. Let's see whether it runs or not. Yes, 2 3s are 8. So this pow function is working properly. Okay, now you can have we can have the sum of the list also. Let's see whether it shows the proper sum of the list or not. We have sum. I missed that. So let's see whether it sums up all the elements of the list or not. Yes, it sums up all the elements in the list. We have one more built-in function. We have actually so many built-in functions. So I'll just provide you with a document in the comment section for all the built-in functions. Here we'll just few examples how actually we can run these built-in functions and see the output. So it is this round function actually round offs any value. If we want to convert it into an octal number, we can do it. Suppose I'll consider oct of a. We have already taken a. Let's yeah, oct of a we can take, and then we'll just have to print oct of, so sorry, oct of 32. Okay, so we know we can decorate. How we can decorate? Octal representation. Octal representation. So let's see whether it runs properly or not. So sorry, it's showing some error. X is not defined. So if I just remove this, will it show the output? Yes, it's showing the octal representation of this. Okay, so fine. So these are the built-in functions that we have seen. So I'll provide you a complete list of built-in function. If you're really interested, you can go ahead with the list in the comment section. And thank you so much for patiently